Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the Amazon Influencer Program. We're going to be explaining the eligibility requirements, benefits of becoming an influencer, how you can drive external traffic to Amazon, and so much more. So stay tuned and let's get started. First, what makes participation so enticing, specifically for content producers? And to answer this, of course, we start with the lucrative commissions. You'll be earning anything between 4 to 10% on anything viewers purchase after engaging with your videos. The top influencers easily clear 6 figures annually. It also has a built-in audience, so your content appears directly on product pages, receiving millions of views every month, thanks to the native merchandising. And finally, it's completely free. Anyone can apply without monthly fees or upfront media spend. You simply need an engaged social following indicating existing influence. So if you already love creating content, reviewing products, or discussing categories that you're passionate about, then the Amazon Influencer Program represents a scalable monetization model, letting you profit from this content at negligible incremental effort. And now let's examine how you can secure approval into the program. Kicking off your application involves formally submitting for consideration and hopefully securing approval for account creation. To get started with that, you want to visit the influencer sign-up page. So head over to the Amazon Influencer Program landing page and then click the blue sign-up button. After that, you'll want to connect social media accounts. You'll be prompted to link one of your existing social profiles, either TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. This allows Amazon to evaluate the level of your current sway. Then you will just have to wait for an approval decision. Amazon's automated screening bots immediately review selected accounts' content, plus measurable engagement rates, and notify you if you satisfy the benchmarks to proceed. If approved, you can then access your newly created influencer dashboard, plus your central account home base, to start populating with content. And just a random tip to apply anyway, as accounts with as few as 200 to 300 TikTok followers have reported approvals. Since these standards nowadays are more relaxed compared to other platforms. After that, you will have to design your influencer storefront hub. Amazon generates a publicly shareable influencer storefront that hosts all the content you produce, along with your profile information, links, and product recommendations. This profile page operates essentially as a central content hub, showcasing what makes you uniquely helpful, driving visitors to check out your recommendations. Some of the key elements to customize for optimizing your storefront impact include the profile picture. Add a quality headshot or logo, reinforcing your brand visually. Each video thumbnail and the familiarity builds authority. The cover banner, as you want to upload visually engaging header imagery that reflects your channel themes, color schemes, making strong first impressions that pop for the buyer. You want to concisely describe your niche passion areas, unique perspectives, and value proposition. So, sell how you inform audiences. For the linked accounts, you want to connect to your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, so all platforms besides Amazon for cross-visibility into your other content. More touch points raise awareness. Also, you want to manually create themed collections highlighting gift ideas for holidays, seasonal gear, best releases, etc. Centered around interest to share for occasion-based purchases that are driven by your links. Treat this storefront space as your own central trust-building hub, designed specifically to compel visitors to check out your various highlighted product recommendations, both via the created lists as well as individual videos. And now that your foundation is dialed in, the next step would be to produce and submit influencer videos for review and approval. They basically want confidence in your content that will tangibly help inform purchase decisions, not annoy visitors. And here is exactly how the submission and evaluation phase works. You want to use the Content Upload Video Media UI to submit precisely 3 total videos, not any more or less. Submitting too few or too many videos will instantly disqualify your entire application. Ensure that your submissions meet minimal production quality standards that Amazon expects. After that, you will have to patiently wait for the verdict on whether your 3 portfolio samples sufficiently satisfy their benchmarks. This waiting period typically takes between 1 to 4 weeks, as an actual employee reviews and assesses your videos between all the applicants for limited openings. Something to keep in mind is that applicants only receive 3 total evaluation attempts before permanent disqualification. So make those initial submissions count. Now for some effective promotion strategies in order to drive external traffic to Amazon. Pin videos on social bios, promote the videos in existing content. So you want to tactically embed influencer videos with unrelated YouTube uploads or blog articles to show notes, driving relevant traffic from your properties to Amazon. You can also run paid video ads, test ads on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, specifically promoting your videos to the targeted lookalike audiences modeled after your current customers. So, getting creative, distributing beyond Amazon's borders gives you greater control, plus more monetization upside, ensuring growing viewership metrics. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, the Amazon Influencer Program opens lucrative doors for content creators to monetize their existing passions for discussing product categories already top of mind, while establishing helpful authority in viewers' eyes. So, definitely use this guide to navigate approval obstacles and ultimately construct a scalable influencer content engine in order to boost your income. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.